welcome to day 15 of the 30 days hair growth challenge. We started this challenge a few days ago and we are already midway through the challenge. I am so happy. So if you started with us from day one, congratulations, you've been doing a very good job. But if you're new here and you don't know what all this is about, let me just explain. We use rosemary in cloves water for hair growth. The full recipe is on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. We apply this to the hair. I put mine in a spray bottle and I spray it like this twice per day, morning and evening. When I'm done spraying, I massage it just like this. I insist on my edges. And when I'm done, that's it all. That's all I have to do. So I do this in the morning after my shower and in the evening. So I do this twice per day. And this is all what you have to do for this challenge. It's very easy. It's not complicated. It's all what you have to do. So on day one, I did the length check. My length was 38 centimeters. After 7 days, I did the length check, 39 centimeters. And after 14 days, I did the length check. You can check out the video of the most recent length check. And the length was 40 centimeters. So 2 centimeters in 2 weeks. Praise God. That is amazing. I want to know, you who has tried the challenge, how has it been? Have you been doing your length checks and how many centimeters have you gained ever since we started this challenge? Please write it in the comment section. And also, if you're just joining us for the challenge, please also write it in the comment section down there. If you know people, friends, family who want to grow their hair longer, please share this challenge with them so that they can grow their hair longer. Honestly, increasing length is not the only advantage in this challenge. I have noticed, one, that it helps to fight dandruff. Your scalp will be very clean and very clear when you use this. I also noticed that it makes my hair shine brighter. Like your hair will be way more shiny when you use this. It improves the overall condition of your hair and of your scalp also. And another thing that I noticed is that it makes my hair so soft. If you look at the video of day 13, you see that I spray it on my hair so as to do these braids. And the braiding was so easy, the hair was so soft and so easy to manage thanks to the rosemary and cloves water. So it has so many benefits. Apart from doing the challenge to make your hair grow longer, you can also do that to improve the overall health of your hair. And you can also use it as like a spray when you are styling your hair, when you are doing braids or twists. It makes the hair so much more manageable and makes it so easy to detangle your hair. Honestly, try this out. And if you like natural recipes like this one, you can check out my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch. In that book, I share other recipes on how to take care of your natural hair. And I also share tips. If you are a natural hair girly, I share tips on how to take care of your natural hair. And if you have relaxed hair, but you want to transition from relaxed to natural hair, I also share tips on how to transition. So you should definitely grab a copy of the book. Finally, if you enjoy this challenge, please subscribe to my channel so as to encourage me and so as to receive updates for the next video. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.